What is good, everyone? Dev the Michigander here, coming at you with another episode. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, everyone, I got a very special video for you today. As you can see, I am dirty, and we are here at my grandfather's farm. I'm going to show you around, show you the farm life. He's a vegetable farmer, so it's going to be a little different. There's no animals to see here, but it's going to show you what a Michigan farm, vegetable farm, looks like and what it's all about, what kind of stuff we carry here. So let's go check it out. Let the adventure begin. Gotta wash the onions. Everybody's working hard at Penn's Produce. Here on the farm, they're just starting to wash beets right now. In that barn. Getting ready to wash some beets. In that crazy contraption. This old school type of tractor called Turbo. It's international. It still runs, don't worry, it still runs. I don't think it runs right now. But they're working on getting it fixed back up. Just think it needs like an oil change and a few new parts. But it was working last year. And this is the one where my grandfather plows the fields with, mainly. And it digs up the potatoes. Pretty sweet. If you're into old tractors, this is where it's at. That was the original barn for when my grandfather was a child. That's where they used to store like tractors and stuff like that. This is all relatively new. And they used to, back in the day, they used to have chickens, cows. But now, he's just a vegetable farmer, bringing fresh vegetables to every human being that comes into a farmer's market. So go out and support a farmer. Here's another old type of tractor that we like to call the G. It's a little tractor that helps with plowing smaller fields and planting. This one's really good for planting too. Those are the things that hold up the gas for the. Yeah, those are the gas tanks for tractors. That's his market truck right there. Some potatoes. Check these ones out. These ones are purple potatoes. Well, that's going to do it for us today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a quick sneak peek about what I did growing up. That's what I did. That was my first job ever, working for my grandfather on his farm. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys go out and you support a farmer at a farmer's market, because without farmers, where would we be? We wouldn't have food. We wouldn't have people growing us food or anything like that. So go out and thank a farmer. This is Dev, the Michigander, telling you get your foot out the door because adventure awaits.